Hi, I'm Dr. Osman. Dear colleagues, it's possible to design a passive fit retainer using Blender software. There are a lot of advantages to using some kind of a retainer. Easy to bond, easy to clean the residue, and most importantly, we can avoid composite flow around the soft tissue. Then the patient can easily clean the teeth and keep the teeth and the soft tissue healthy. The adaptation is perfect and we won't give any movement with the retainer. I hope you like the video and it will help many of our colleagues. Please make sure you like the videos and subscribe. If you have any questions, requests or want to show your appreciation, please leave a comment below. Hope to meet you someday.